Your transmission is one of the most complex and essential parts of your vehicle. It ensures the right amount of power is delivered to your wheels, but when something goes wrong, it can lead to serious problems. Here are some basic tips on how to troubleshoot, as well as what you can do if you're experiencing transmission issues. Number 1. Watch for delayed shifting. If your car hesitates or jerks when shifting gears, it could be a sign that your transmission fluid is low or there's an internal issue that needs attention. Number 2, check for transmission leaks. Transmission fluid is vital for keeping your transmission lubricated and running smoothly. If you notice a red or brown fluid under your car, bring it in right away. Number 3, listen for unusual noises. Grinding, whining, or clunking noises when your car is in gear can point to serious transmission problems that shouldn't be ignored. Now that we've covered some basic tips, here's how you can troubleshoot your transmission at home. Number 1, check if your gears are slipping. If your car unexpectedly slips out of gear while driving, it could indicate a worn clutch or other internal transmission issues. This is a serious problem that needs immediate attention. Number 2, burning smells. A burning smell when driving could indicate that your transmission is overheating, often due to low or dirty transmission fluid. Number 3, warning light on your dashboard. If you're experiencing any of these symptoms, your check engine light's on, or your transmission warning message comes on, it's important to have your car inspected as soon as possible to avoid further damage. Now that you know what to look for at home, here's how our expert team specializes in diagnosing transmission problems and repairs. Number 1, thorough diagnostics. Our expert technicians will run comprehensive diagnostics to identify the root cause of your transmission problems, whether it's a fluid issue or a mechanical failure. Number 2, high quality repairs or rebuilds. Whether your transmission needs a simple fluid change or a full rebuild, we have the skills and tools to get the job done right. Number 3, clear communication and options. We'll give your vehicle a free health checkup and explain the problem in detail and offer clear, honest recommendations so you can make an informed decision on the best course of action for your vehicle. Don't let transmission troubles keep you off the road. We have the technology and highly skilled technicians at all of our locations to keep you driving safely. Go to our website to book your appointment today.